If I was to be starting my ninth remote career again in year 2026, these are the two job sites I will pay attention to me right now. The first job site I will pay attention to will be brute work. Why brute work? Is because for brute work, they actually hire for their clients in US, meaning that if you are in Ghana or you are in Nigeria or you are in Kenya, you are going to be working for US clients and it will be night time for you that you are in Africa. So also another job site that I'm going to be paying attention to will be Scale Army Career. So for Scale Army Career also, they hire for candidates from Ghana, from Nigeria, from African country, and they also provide you the salary range that you are going to be getting. So I'm going to be focusing on these two job sites, which is Brute Work and Scale Army Career. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a niche, whether learning customer support or learning SDR, which is sales development representative. Pick one. After learning, I will not just learn the skills alone, I will learn the tools related. The tools related I'm going to be learning are going to be related to the most popular CRM tools, which is Zendesk. Also, I can learn all sports. Also, I can learn fresh desk. So after learning fresh desk, I'm not just going to stop at doing that. I'm going to build proof of work because like I said, I'm starting all over again. I'm a beginner. I did not have any work of experience. So while learning all of these three tools, I'm going to build portfolio. For my portfolio, I'm going to build work sample. So for my work sample, is going to make recruiters see me believable. Not just see me as a beginner that doesn't have experience, but they can see on my proof of work that I can actually make use of these tools and they can hire me faster. So another thing that I'm going to do also is I'm now going to be targeting those jobs that have learned the skill and the tools and be applying to them. So I'm not going to do mass application. I'm going to pick like 20 jobs per week. 20 jobs per week, which will be total of 80 per month. So total of 80 per month, I'm going to be tailoring my CV to each of these jobs. So if you are a beginner looking to actually get nice remote job in 2026, this is the guideline or roadmap that you need to follow. So my name is Deborah Dosumo. I'm a 5 years plus remote worker and also a co-founder in Remote Type Academy. Give me a follow if this was actually helpful to you.